Hello children, how are you all? Are you fine? Enjoying? So, are you ready? I will start the first chapter of your English book. Okay? So, the first chapter of your English book is the best Christmas present in the world, right? The best Christmas present in the world, right? And it's written by Michael Morpurgo. What is it? Morpurgo. Written by Michael Morpurgo, right? And what is the story about? See the picture. There are three pictures I kept. One is that Christmas related one. Second one is the writer with a rolled up desk, means a desk. And third one is letter. So the whole story is related with this story, pictures, right? So the best Christmas present in the world, we don't know what is that best present in the world, right? Before that we should know few hard words, and we'll start the chapter with this word and meaning also, right? And who is the writer? Don't forget. What is the name of the chapter? Don't forget. And the whole story is related with these three pictures only, right? Christmas, letter, and the writer. This is a story of a letter and how it was delivered to the owner of this letter. So the story is of a letter, of this letter, and how it was delivered to the owner of this letter. Who was the owner? That was written on the envelope only. When we post a letter, we used to write address to whom to be delivered, and where do we post? In a post office. And who delivers a letter? Postman. That you know. So, see, on the envelope it was written the address of the owner of this letter, and the writer purchased a roll-top table. The writer purchased a roll-top table. The writer purchased a roll-top table from a junk shop. From a junk shop. A place, a shop where old things are kept for selling. And the writer, why did he purchase this old table? Because it was cheap, not costly one. And why it was kept in that junk shop? Because it was burned from somewhere. Some part of this table was burned and damaged also due to rain, due to water and fire. It was burned and damaged, and he wanted to purchase this to give a new look. Wanted to give a new look of this table. So because of that, he purchased this old table which was roll top. What is the meaning of roll top? It can be opened from top of the table also. It is with a lid. Okay, top of the table you can open it. It is with a lid, and inside movable drawers are also available. So because of that, he wanted to purchase this, and he purchased and took at home and kept backyard of his house in his garage to work on this table, to clean, to polish, to give a new look. He has to clean first. So he started working on this table to give a new look, and inside the drawer he found a letter. The writer, he found that letter. The writer of the story found this letter inside the drawer of a roll-top table. Means that roll-top, inside that roll-top table he found a letter. And on the envelope address was written, so he was willing to deliver this letter to the owner of the letter. He wanted to deliver the letter to the owner of the letter. He wanted to deliver this letter to the owner of the letter because address was written on the envelope. So he wanted to deliver this letter to the owner. He came to know the address. So it was very easy to deliver to the owner of this letter. Now he was very eager to know what is written inside. He was very eager to know. He was very interested to know how it has come inside the drawer and why it is in that junk shop for selling. And inside the drawer, a letter in the deeper corner of this drawer, it was there, and he was very eager to know what is written inside. So he opened the envelope and find out the letter, what was there. A letter should be written by someone. A letter is to be delivered to someone. For that, address also should be there. So he cleared about the owner, seeing the address written on the envelope, and inside the letter. Through that he came to know who wrote this letter, to whom it was written, when it was written. Clear? He came to know, the writer came to know the letter was written by a soldier. The letter was written by a soldier, and his name was Mr. Jim McPherson. Mr. Jim McPherson. He was the soldier of British Army. He was the soldier of British Army. He was knowing, okay, as he was in army, he was there for fighting. So because of that, he was not, or he wrote this letter to say about his position or what he was doing there. Now he was eager to whom it was written. So next he found, he wrote this letter to his wife, Mrs. Connie McPherson. So the letter was written to whom? The letter was written to Mrs. Jim McPherson, right? The letter was written on 26th December 1914. The letter was written on 26th December 1914. So it's clear when it was written. We used to write date, no? Whenever we are doing our classwork, that time also we used to write date first, chapter name, then matter. This way he also wrote, the soldier wrote a letter, date, then matter was there. What did he do there at the time of writing letter, that he wrote inside the letter. That I will tell you afterwards. Okay, so the letter was written on 26th December 1914. The writer went to Bridport to deliver the letter to Mrs. Coney. So the writer came to know the address. Now he wanted to deliver this letter to the owner of the letter. So for that he has to go. He had to go. So he went Bridport to deliver the letter to Mrs. Coney. Hard words and meanings. First one is spotted it. Spotted it. Saw it. Found it. What is the meaning? Spotted it. Saw it. Found it. Somewhere he found the part. It was burned, or it was cracked, or it was damaged. So spotted it, finding out. Spotted, as it is past tense, so it is written saw it or found it. Not see it, not find it, It saw it and found it. Second one, scorch marks. Scorch marks. What is that? Burn marks. So he spotted it. It was having burn marks. I told you, burn marks. It was burned. Somewhere it was burnt. Somewhere it was burnt. B-U-R-N-T, burned, and damaged due to water. Was going for. What is the meaning of was going for? Was selling for. Going for means here it is not moving or walking. Here it is was going for means was selling for. The table was going for selling, right? Restore. What is the meaning of restore? Repair. The writer thought, I want to purchase this cheapest one. I want to purchase this roll top table as it was very cheap, and I want to give a new look after repairing. So restore means repair. Veneer. What is the meaning of veneer? A thin layer of plastic or wood on furniture of cheap wood. Sometimes we see a layer like on the table, Sanmaika, like that. So to give a new look to a cheap thing as a covering, So he found a veneer on that roll top, means a thin layer of plastic or wood. Sometimes you see Sanmaika is there on the table, so that is a thin layer of plastic or wood on furniture of cheap wood. जो सस्ता वाला wood है उसको उसको नया लुक देने के लिए, so it is used, that coating. Clear? So the writer also found a veneer, a thin layer of plastic or wood on furniture of that table. So thank you. This much only for today. Don't forget what happened. In the next video I will tell you what was written inside the letter and what was written inside the letter at what time, what was the moment when the soldier wrote this letter and why he wrote this letter to his wife, and how it was delivered to the owner of this letter. That also will come to know afterwards. Till now, learn these words properly, be accustomed with these words and try to remember the story from the beginning. Okay? Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Be happy, be safe, stay at home. Okay? Bye.